Hello everyone. Today's question is, this is algebra question, a square minus b equals to 30 and b square minus a is equal to 30, and we need to find here the value a and b. So how to find this a or b value? So first of all, you can see here, first we'll take, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Then subtract equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, so the first equation is a square minus b, and the second equation left hand side is b square minus a. So first of all, left and left minus and right minus. So minus b square minus a, and here 30 minus 30. Now a square minus b is as it is, and this minus sign goes inside. So minus b square minus minus plus a, and 30 is cancelled, so it will become 0. Now after that, you can see this a square and b square can be write together, these two terms, and the next term is a plus a minus b. These two terms together we will write, and you can see here a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b, and here a minus b is as it is equal to 0. In this equation, you can see in the left hand side a minus b is the common part. So inside is a plus b is remaining, and this a minus b goes outside as a common. So here is 1 is remaining equal to 0. Then here a minus b in bracket, and another bracket is a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. So there are two situations, a minus b equal to 0, and the two factors a plus b 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now here the value of a, if you say the value of a, so a equals to b goes to that side, so it is a equals to b, and this is equation number, we will suppose 3. And here you can see finding the value. First of all, we will find the value of a. First focus the value of a. If we find the value of a, now we will find the value of b. Now you can see here a is equals to, this b goes to that side, so minus b, and 1 is goes to another right hand side, so it is also minus 1. So this is equation number 4. So we have 3 equations, first, second, and 3 and 4. Now after that, according to, if you put the value a equals to b in equation number 1, so from first equation we'll write again the first equation, a square minus b equals to 30, and put a equals to b from third equation. Third equation, we'll put the value of a equals to b from equation 3, put here in this equation, which is equation number 1. So a equals to b, so b square minus b equals to 30. Okay. Now after that, b square minus b, this 30 goes left hand side, so right hand side is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation, and we'll do the method, factorization method. 30 factors, take the 2 factors of 30, so which is 6 and 5, 6 5s are 30, so it is 6b minus 6b and plus 5b. Okay, so minus plus minus, and 6 minus 5 is 1b, 1b is minus b is minus 30. So there are 2 factors. If you take the b common, b minus 6, and here we take the common 5, so b minus 6. So there are 2 factors. First factor is b minus 6, and the second factor is b plus 5, which is equal to 0. So the value of b is 6, first value, and the second value is 5. So let me suppose this is b1 and this is b2. Okay, so b1 and b2. So for this b1 and b2 value, we will find the a value also, and from, if you see the equation number 3 is, which is equation number 3, this. So here the a equals to 3, from 3, a equals to b, sorry, a equals to b. So a equals to b, what is the value of b? If b1, if I say it is a1, a1 equals to b1, so b1 is 6, so a1 is also 6. Similarly, a equals to b from equation number 3. If we suppose it is a2 and it is b2, so what is our b2? b2 is 5. So our a2 is also 5. b2 is 5, you can see here 5. So a2 is also 5. So a1 and a2 will get the value of a1. If a1 for b1, a1 and b1 equals to, you can see 6 and 6. Similarly, a2 and b2 is 5 and 5. 5 comma 5. So this is the one values of a1 b1 and a2 b2. Now we know that there are two equations, equation number 3 and 4. If a equals to b, if we suppose a equals to minus b and minus 1, so see here, if a equals to minus b minus 1, this is equation 4. Now put this value minus b and minus 1 any equation of 1 and 2. So we'll take the equation number 1. So put this a value, you can write a single, a value in equation number 1. So equation number 1 we'll write here. So put the value of a here. A is minus b minus 1 whole square minus b equals to 30. Now we are applying the identity a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now we are using a is the minus b square plus 1 square minus 2 into a means minus b into 1 to ab minus b, this b is already here 30, minus b square is the b square, 1 square is the 1, minus minus plus it is 2b and minus b equals to 30, and b square, this 2b and minus b which is equals to plus b, and plus 1 equals to 30. Now you can see here b square plus b is as it is, and this 30 goes to left hand side, so it is minus, so b square plus b minus 29 is equal to 0. So you can see again one quadratic equation is here. So how to solve this quadratic equation? We are using the quadratic formula here. So how to apply this quadratic formula? See, a second. Okay, this is our equation, b square plus b minus 29 equal to 0. So here first of all a equals to 1 and b equals to 1 and c equals to minus 29. So use the quadratic formula. So b equals to plus minus under root of, here minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is our quadratic formula. Okay, so here we are using x, but here the x, the instead of x will write b, because this equation in the b and a form. So here the variable is b and x using. So we are using b here, b and minus b which is b value is 1, minus 1 plus minus under root of b square minus 4 into a means 1 and c means minus 29 upon 2 into 1. Okay. Then after that minus 1 is as it is, plus minus under root of 1 square is the 1, and it is minus minus plus 29 fours are, it will 116 upon 2. So minus 1 plus minus under root, it is 117 upon 2. Now after that minus 1 plus minus, can we write this 117 is 9 into 13 by 2, so that minus 1 plus minus, this 9 is the perfect square number of 3, so 3 goes outside and inside is root 13 which is equals to 2. So you can see here the b value is, there are two values of b because two signs are here, plus and minus together. So first value we'll take the b1 is minus 1 plus 3 under root of 13 by 2, and the second value is b2 minus 1 minus 3 under root of 13 by 2. Okay, so if we have two values of b, so obviously the a value is also 2. So now remember what is our a and what is our b. Okay, so this is the value of b1 and b2. So remember our equation number 4. What is our equation number 4? So you can see, if you see, there are two equations from 3 and 4. See again. For this equation, we will find already the values of a and b. Now the turn of the another equation, which is equals to a equals to minus b minus 1. So in this case, what is the value of a? So if you have two values of b1 and b2. So let me suppose this is a1 and this is b1 and this is minus 1. So if you put the value b1, this value here, so what is our a? So minus 1 plus 3 root 13 upon 2. But outside is already negative sign, so do not forget to put this negative sign. Minus minus plus 1 and minus plus minus 3 root under root of 13 by 2. Can we write this 1 is 2 by 2, because here the 2, so it will easy to calculate. Now 2 is the LCM, and here 1 minus 3 root 13 and it is minus 2. So the value of it is 2 minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 3 root 13 by 2. This is the first value of a1. Now if you take the another value of b2 is this. So again we'll write here the equation number 4. A equals to minus b minus 1. So let me suppose it is a2 minus b2 minus 1. So what is our b2? You can see here b2 is minus 3 root 13 by 2 and here minus 1. Now again this minus sign goes inside, minus minus plus and minus minus plus 3 root 13 by 2, and can we write this one instead of 1 2 upon 2 and take the LCM 2, and 1 plus 3 root 13 minus 2. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 plus 3 root 13 by 2. This is our a2. So for these two values we'll write again. If a1 is a1 and b1 value, again we'll write here what is our a1. This one is the a1. Minus 1 minus 3 root 13 by 2, and b1 is this one. Minus 1 plus 3 root 13 by 2. The first values is, and a2 and b2. What is our a2? a2 is this. Minus 1 plus 3 root 13 by 2. And what is our b2? b2 is, see, this is b2. Minus 1 minus 3 root 13 by 2. So these are the another two values of a and b. So in this equation you can see easily there are 4 values of a and b. This is the algebra question, very interesting question. Now you can write this question. You can note down, pause the video and note down this question. So this is the question. You can pause the video and note in your copy notebook. And if you like this video, do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.